Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create sales reports in Pipedrive CRM on your PC. First, log into your Pipedrive account and click on Reports in the left-hand menu. This is where you can track your sales performance. To create a new report, click Add Report at the top right. You'll see different types like Deal Forecast, Revenue, or Activity Reports. Choose the one that fits your needs. Next, customize your report. You can set the date range, select specific pipelines or stages, and group data by team member or deal owner. Give your report a name and click Save. Once saved, you can add it to your dashboard for quick access. You can also schedule reports to be emailed to you or your team automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to create sales reports in Pipedrive CRM. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.